Dear YouTube viewers, welcome to my electronics YouTube channel. Today I am here with another new video. Today's video is about 24-inch LED TV standby problem. First, the TV is released to standby. Friends, look, see here, the standby LED is flashed not appropriately. The LED TV is automatically goes back to standby as soon as it is released from standby. Friends, in today's video, I will try to explain how to repair this TV problem. So, keep watching the whole video carefully. So, let's get started. Friends, to explain to you, I am turning on the TV again. Look, the TV is going into standby again and backlight of the TV is not even on. Anyway, let's open the LVDS cable now. Then I will turn the TV back on. Now look, see here the backlight is flashing. Very nice. That means the TV's motherboard is okay, but the problem is with the panel. That means I have to find out which section short circuit so I can complete the task. So let's connect the LVDS cable again and see if the TV turned off again. Look, the TV is turning off again. So let's check what the problem is with the panel. Anyway, look here, the 12 volt positive supply is okay.